Hello guys, this video is for beginners only. It's not for those who have been following me for a long time. Okay, if you are just a beginner and you are interested in trading stocks, my channel is what all you need. Okay, now before you trade, you need to open an account, a broker account. Okay, there are a lot of brokers in United States of America. We have a lot, big and small, but we try to use what we call a discount broker. Now, discount broker, it means they don't charge a lot for commission. It means when you want to buy a stock or sell it, you need to pay commission. Now, there are some brokers, if you don't know, you will be paying too much. There are some brokers where you pay 9.99, okay, for selling or buying, which is too much. If you are interested to open a broker and you are living in USA or in Canada, you can just send me an email and we'll see that. Now, you need a broker account. When you open a broker account, you fund it with whatever money you have, because a lot of beginners, they ask always the same question, and I see it online and in my videos. How much do I need? You need what you have, because the market, when you open an account, it's up to you. You put $500, you put $10,000, you put $100,000, you put $1 million. It depends on you what you want to do, okay? And when you put money, it doesn't mean that you are going to trade all this money, okay? You can divide it into many parts, and you just trade little until you be confident, okay? So you have a broker, you fund it with money, it's okay. Now, what you need else? You need a chart. A chart is just to show you how the stock price moves up or down. You should need that, okay? And the chart, most of the people, they use what we call candlesticks. Candlesticks is just, it shows you, it's just a rectangular box that shows you what did happen in the day, like a daily candlestick, or 1 minute candlestick, or 5 minutes, or 10 minutes if you are a day trader. It means if you are doing day trading, okay? So you need, we try to repeat, you need a broker account. If you have a broker account, you fund it. If you fund it with money, you need a chart. Now, after the chart, what do you need? You need to understand how to trade. Before you do that, you need to see what is your goal. Are you going to do a trading, or are you going to do investing? Please don't. A lot of people, they go to my channel and they begin to mix up, and they say it's just time, trading or investing, or for 1 day, or for 1 week, or 1 year, or 10 years, it's the same thing. No, it is not the same thing. If you are a day trader, there are some rules, some characteristics that you should do in day trading. These are the basics. I'm not speaking about highly advanced thing. The basics. So day trading is not a swing trading, which you follow trends. Now, investing, it has nothing to do with trading. So try to make the difference, okay? If you have questions about this, just send me a private message. Here is my email, private message, or go to my website and send me an email. I will explain more. A day trading is when you buy and you sell during the day. You don't hold the night, the stock. This is called day trading. Now, swing trading is when you hold at least 1 day, 1 night. It means, for example, you buy today. Now, if you sell it tomorrow, this is called swing trading. This is not a day trading. At day trading, when you buy during the day, you should sell during the day and not leave the stock overnight. Now you ask the question, why people they do day trading, and why they don't do the same? Because the objective of each style of trading is different. Now a day trader, what he is looking for is to capture a percentage of the day movement. For example, a stock has moved 5% during the day. Now the day trader, he can't catch all this 5%. He can catch 2%, 3%, 1%, depending on his skills. Okay. Now, swing trading is what we do in our channel, and this is what I am explaining as always in the whole channel, is to look for the big profits. We are looking for trends. It means a stock that was $10, you buy it, you hold it for 1 week, 2 weeks, or 1 month or two, and then it goes to 20, and you can either double your money or you can have a high percentage. So you need some time to follow the trend. Okay? Now, let's go to investing. Investing is another thing that has nothing to do with trading. You don't buy and sell each month or each week and you say, I'm investing. This is just the word investing is used wrongly in the market. Always when you go online, you say, oh, I invest in a stock today and I sell it. This is not investing. Investing, what does it mean? It means you should know the company that you are investing in. And you should have at least 1 year. It means you need time. That's why the big investors like Warren Buffett and the other, when they hold a stock, they hold it for many years or for decades, or they will never sell when they get money from it. Okay? They will never sell. And they get dividends from it. So understand your objective first. Are you going to do day trading? Are you going to do swing trading? Or are you going to do investing? These three styles of investment, they are totally different. Okay? Now what I do in my channel is swing trading. This, why? Because it's good for everybody. All the people who work, they like swing trading. Because you buy the stock today and you leave it for a few days. Okay? If the stock make a big movement and it goes to a trend, you just hold and wait. The more you hold and the stock, and you are right, the more you make money. When it stops going up and it's going down, you sell. Now you say, how? Okay, here what you need what we call a strategy or strategies, depending on the market. Okay? And this is what I train students, and this is what I do for a living, is to trade stocks, to do swing trading, and to teach other students and other beginners who have never heard about stocks, or they have experience and they lose always, so I will correct their mistakes. Okay? Now when you begin, you think it's just easy and you just take any strategy, you take everywhere, you read books, you do whatever you want, but later you will see that it is difficult. Difficult because you don't know how to trade. But whenever you acquire the skills and you practice, it will be very easy because you will never think about it. Okay? You buy a stock, it goes up, you make money. It goes down, you use a stop loss and you exit. You don't stay with the loser. And this is what I am teaching you. Now in investing, it's different. In investing, if you know the company and you study the fundamentals and the statements and the competition of this company, you study the company very well, and if you are interested, okay, you buy the company shares, or you buy a lot of company shares and you invest for the long run. Okay, so hope this general video gives you an insight on how to begin. So I will repeat what I say. Before you do anything, you should need a broker. Now, you ask me a question: why I need a broker? Can I buy directly from the exchange? No. That's why the broker are like middlemen. They are called market makers. It means they help you reach the market. You can't reach the market by yourself. You go to the market and you buy by yourself. If you want to do that, you should go, for example, you should buy a seat in New York Exchange, which is, I think now it's $2 million. If you have $2 million and you want to buy a seat and to buy and sell from there, okay, you can go there. But most of the people, they don't have that kind of money, so stay with the discount brokers. Now, discount brokers, there are some other big brokers, they ask you too much commission and fees. Try to be careful. If you are, let's say, I will give you just an example of a broker. If you are paying more than $5 into your commission, it means you are wrong. You are just giving too much money to your broker. Okay? So my broker, for example, is $4.95. If you are interested, please check my email. I will send you a link. Okay? Now, this is the first thing. You should have an account. Most of the time, the people, they do what we call individual account. You put your social security and you just open an account. It's very easy. Okay? And there are other types of accounts. I'm not speaking about this today. Now, and then you need some money. When I say some money, it means whatever money you want, or whatever money, or you can open with 1,000, 2,000, and then you save money and you put it. You can do it as something for the future, not just for 1 month or two. You can buy stocks and leave them like an investment, like investing, and you can have some money you can trade. So you are free. No one will stop you from doing anything, and that is the beauty of stock market. You can do whatever strategy you like. You can buy whatever stock you like. If you can make it and make money, that's it. If you lose, you lose for true. Don't ask the broker to bring your money back, or because you do a mistake in buying that stock. Okay? So there is no the mistake, you are responsible for that. Now, you have a broker account, you fund it with money, you have a chart, a good chart to use to see the stock. Understand that stocks, each company which is public has a symbol. Now, when you want to use the chart, you will put the symbol, and then you find information about this company. Okay? Now, a symbol, for example, Facebook, it's FB. It's just a symbol to know the company. Now, after having the chart, you need a strategy. A strategy is a way. It's just a way to buy on time and to exit on time in order to make a profit. There are hundreds and thousands of strategies online. You find them. Now, my strategies that I'm teaching are based on price only. Okay, they are very, very simple. You can search with a stock screener, you can find stocks, you follow them, you make money, and you exit the trade. Okay? I don't use indicators. What we call indicators is small strategies that are in the chart, and when you click on this indicators, you will see a lot of strategies and you will mix up everything. So in my strategies, I don't use indicators. I don't use also moving averages. It means moving averages is just the closing of 50 days or 120 or whatever days, and you see two lines. If they cross up, you go and you buy. If it goes down, and you sell. This is, some people use them, but for me, I don't use them because I don't believe in this stuff. Okay? Now, the strategy, it is not only to buy, when to buy and when to sell. You should know your risk. You should know how to deal with your account, how to divide it, what are the most important things, how to minimize the risk, how to maximize the profits. All this information, you will find it in my trainings. Okay? Another thing, if you are going to do what we call penny stocks, stocks that are cheap because the companies are little and they are under $5, these type of stocks, there are some of them are what we call a pump and dump scheme. It means they are very, very risky. Okay, you can lose all your money in that kind of stocks, especially when you put a lot of money. Now, if you want to have a safer, not a safe, but a safer way, you can lose also, but a safer way, you can try my training level 10, how to trade penny stocks. But we are not following this, what we call pump and dump scheme. We are following normal penny stocks that doesn't move that much. Okay, and you can follow them and you can make money. Okay, so all these that I have talked about is what you need as a beginner. Okay, now later when you begin, for example, if you take my training, you begin to practice and ask questions. That's why I always have my email ready. Whenever question you have, even before you do the training or during doing the training or after you finish the training and after a few years, you can still ask me, sending me questions, and I will reply. If it is something related to information that it is a paid information, you should have the training. Now, if it is just general questions, I always answer all the emails that I got from you guys. Okay? And my channel is always about swing trading. We follow trends, and this is what I do, and this is all what I do. And if you have questions, here is my my email on the description, on the top of the description, and we have my website. There is a 50% discount for training levels by videos, and there is a 75% for ebooks, because a lot of people, they like to read books to find the chart. They like static things, and some other people, they like videos. They like to see movement, how to see things. They like voice and video. Okay, it depends on you, whatever you like. But the guarantee is, whenever you ask me a question, I will try to explain as much as I can do, because I'm here just to help you. Okay, now my help, or like a customer service, I always do, and you try to practice until you succeed, because success depends on you. It doesn't depend on me. I showed you the way. You practice, you can succeed. But if you don't practice, as some other people, let's say they take one training from all my trainings, and they still go to the market reading what the analysts say and the other stuff. I don't use all that stuff. I don't watch CNN. I don't watch Bloomberg. I don't watch all the stuff. I don't get my information from people. I get my information from the chart, because the price never lies, but human do. Okay, so always I see the chart, I see where the stock is going, I buy according to signals, and this is what I teach. Okay, so thank you very much for watching all my videos, and especially this video. You will have in my channel, there are about 1,150 videos about swing trading, day trading, investing. Please watch as much as you can, and then whenever you decide to take my training, just send me an email and let me know. Thank you very much, and have a nice day.